Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by fitting the pick and setting your stance so motion is efficient. Put the metal pick on the pad of your finger, not the very tip. This gives control and reduces buzzing. Once in place, check that about 1 to 2 millimeters of pick extends past your tip and set the bevel at a 10 to 20 degree angle to the strings. Make small adjustments while plucking an open string to hear how attack and sustain change. This establishes your baseline feel and tone. Now you refine the right hand motion to get consistent tone and speed. Use your wrist as the main driver for fast runs and rely on small finger joint movement to shape dynamics and rolls. Make sure you strike different string zones, closer to the bridge for a brighter, more defined note, and nearer the neck for warmer timbre. Once done, practice scales slowly while varying attack strength. This trains accuracy and helps you eliminate unwanted metal. Finish by combining everything into musical phrases so your choices serve songs. Play chord arpeggios and single-note lines, focusing on consistent timing between both hands. Use a metronome and increase tempo in small increments. If you hear buzzing or harsh scrape, change the pick angle by small increments or insert a thin foam shim under the pick to reduce vibration. When volume is uneven, record and compare takes, then adjust pick length or try a different gauge until tone and balance match your intent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.